The old battlefield, generations fought with swords, spears, and archers. Battles were decided by human strength and strategy. Armies marched, scouts rode horses, and commanders read maps by candlelight. There were no machines to sense danger or react faster. This was the human era of war, where every decision was slow and every mistake costly. Precision before AI. In the 20th century, guided weapons emerged. Smart bombs used sensors and GPS to hit targets more accurately than unguided shells. According to Wikipedia 2024, this reduced collateral damage compared to older artillery but still required humans to design, program, and release them. Decisions were faster, but machines did not choose targets on their own. AI in reconnaissance. Today, drones with AI can map battlefields in real time. According to SAIS 2025, AI-enabled reconnaissance systems analyze thousands of images per minute, highlighting threats faster than human teams could in hours. This allows commanders to respond in seconds. AI processes data continuously, turning raw video into actionable maps without manual sorting. Autonomous drone navigation. Autonomous drones like Shield AI VBAT use machine learning to navigate even when GNSS signals fail. Business Insider 2025 reports that AI guidance boosted successful target hits from around 20% to nearly 80%, even under jamming. These drones adapt to terrain and obstacles without a human pilot, signaling a new era of autonomous flight on the battlefield. AI in air defense turrets. Sky Sentinel turrets use algorithms to detect and track hostile drones autonomously. Business Insider 2025 notes operators reported multiple hostile aerial targets neutralized per day with minimal human control. AI handles detection and engagement calculations, enabling defenses to react faster than human reflexes. The system doesn't sleep, it never blinks. AI swarm coordination. AI is enabling drone swarms that act in coordinated waves. According to The Guardian 2026, these swarms of 3 to 8 units share data mid-flight, adapting movements without direct human input. This collective behavior can overwhelm defenses that expect single targets. AI turns individual drones into intelligent teams, reshaping how forces contest airspace. Situational awareness systems. Systems like Ukraine's Delta fuse data from drones, sensors, and satellites into a unified, real-time battlefield map. Wikipedia 2026 reports commanders track hundreds of potential targets per hour, a task impossible manually. AI rapidly layers and filters inputs, highlighting patterns humans might miss. Commanders see the unseen, faster than ever before. Recognition accuracy. AI visual recognition models on modern drones classify objects with more than 90% accuracy even under camouflage. According to MIT 2025, these models outperform unaided human analysts in low visibility and cluttered environments. A machine sees patterns in shadows, shapes, and textures that would take humans much longer to interpret. Machines do not tire. Human oversight in AI. Despite autonomous capabilities, human commanders review AI recommendations before engagement. SAIS 2025 warns that removing oversight can lead to unpredictable outcomes on the battlefield. AI accelerates decisions, but humans remain the final check, ensuring that machines do not act on incomplete or misleading data, preserving accountability and reducing unintended escalation. AI in cyber warfare. AI now detects and responds to cyber threats faster than humans. Microsoft Digital Defense Report 2024 states AI-driven systems reduced incident response from days to minutes, identifying anomalous behavior and halting attacks automatically. Modern conflicts extend beyond physical fields. The cyber battlefield is dynamic, invisible, and AI-driven, reshaping how militaries defend networks and data. AI in logistics and supply. Military logistics benefit from AI predictive tools. Deloitte 2023 reports that 80% of units saw delivery times improve using algorithms that forecast supply needs and route vehicles efficiently. Historical supply chains relied on human estimates and couriers, often delayed or disrupted. Today, AI ensures timely distribution of ammunition, food, and medical support even under combat stress. AI for medical evacuation. AI assists casualty evacuation in modern conflicts. NATO 2025 notes algorithms now use drone and sensor data to route medevac teams safely, cutting evacuation times by 25%. AI identifies hazards and optimal paths in real time. Where soldiers once relied on maps and intuition, today intelligent systems optimize life-saving operations with precision. Autonomous ground vehicles. AI-enabled ground robots navigate rough terrain autonomously. Carnegie Mellon 2025 reports that reinforcement learning systems reduce human operator workload by over 50% while performing reconnaissance or transport missions. These systems learn from trial and error in simulations, moving efficiently where human-driven vehicles struggle, extending reach and reducing risk for soldiers. AI in target prioritization. AI tools prioritize thousands of potential targets daily. Project Maven, U.S. Department of Defense 2025, processes intelligence faster than human teams, highlighting threats for analysts to confirm. This reduces reaction time and improves operational efficiency. Machines can triage massive data, letting humans focus on critical decisions rather than manual review of every feed. Autonomous recon in urban areas. AI drones map complex urban terrain in real time, analyzing street layouts, building densities, and movement patterns. According to Business Insider 2025, AI-assisted reconnaissance increases situational awareness dramatically, helping commanders anticipate ambushes or civilian hazards. This reduces casualties while giving troops a clearer understanding of operational environments. AI swarms expand reach. Drone swarms now coordinate autonomously, sharing data mid-flight to adjust routes and targets. The Guardian 2026 reports swarms of up to 8 units can overwhelm traditional defenses, learning collectively. AI transforms individual drones into intelligent teams that react faster than human-coordinated fleets, showing a new level of battlefield adaptability. AI in electronic warfare. AI can detect and counter electronic interference. According to SAIS 2025, adaptive algorithms allow drones and vehicles to navigate despite jamming, maintaining communications and targeting accuracy. Machines process signals instantly, replacing manual signal checks and allowing operations in contested electromagnetic environments where humans would be blind. Predictive strike analytics. AI predicts enemy movements using historical and real-time data. Project Maven 2025 demonstrates that predictive analytics can forecast high-risk zones, improving mission success rates. This reduces wasted munitions and unnecessary exposure, turning intelligence into actionable strategy faster than human planners alone. AI in threat detection. Autonomous systems scan thousands of images per minute to identify threats. MIT 2025 reports AI visual recognition achieves over 90% accuracy in identifying objects in low visibility. This reduces human error in reconnaissance and ensures faster, more reliable alerts to commanders in complex terrain. Logistics optimization. AI algorithms optimize supply chains on the battlefield. Deloitte 2023 notes that predictive routing reduces delays by 80%. Weapons, food, and medical supplies are routed efficiently despite changing conditions. Compared to historical logistics, AI ensures continuous flow under dynamic combat pressures, saving time and resources. Casualty evacuation planning. AI systems assist in medical evacuations. NATO 2025 states algorithms evaluate sensor and drone data to find safe routes, cutting evacuation time by 25%. Soldiers once relied on maps and intuition, now intelligent routing ensures wounded personnel reach care faster, improving survival rates in active combat zones. Autonomous ground vehicles. AI ground robots navigate terrain and obstacles using reinforcement learning. Carnegie Mellon 2025 finds human operator workload decreases by over 50% during reconnaissance missions. Machines learn from simulations to handle unpredictable conditions, extending operational reach while reducing risk to soldiers. Human-AI collaboration. SAIS 2025 emphasizes that AI assists but does not replace humans. Operators review AI recommendations to ensure accuracy. Without oversight, autonomous decisions could escalate conflicts or misfire. The partnership between human intuition and AI processing is key to safe and effective battlefield operations. Cyber defense integration. AI detects cyber threats faster than human teams. Microsoft Digital Defense Report 2024 shows automated anomaly detection shortens response from days to minutes. Modern warfare now spans both physical and digital domains, with AI protecting communications, command networks, and data integrity in real time. AI and satellite intelligence. AI analyzes satellite feeds to detect troop movements and equipment deployment. SISE 2025 reports these systems process thousands of images daily, highlighting potential threats faster than analysts manually could. Satellite AI provides commanders a continuous, updated picture of the battlefield at scale. Autonomous recon in cities. AI drones map urban areas, analyzing street layouts and movement patterns. Business Insider 2025 reports AI-assisted reconnaissance helps commanders anticipate ambushes and civilian hazards. Machines detect threats and obstacles instantly, giving troops a clearer understanding of complex terrain compared to traditional human scouting methods. AI and swarm strike. The Guardian 2026 states AI-controlled drone swarms adapt during missions, coordinating attack paths without human input. Even small groups of 3 to 8 drones can overwhelm defenses. This capability multiplies force effectiveness, demonstrating how AI turns multiple simple units into a cohesive, intelligent system on the battlefield. AI-assisted electronic warfare. SISE 2025 reports adaptive AI algorithms allow drones and vehicles to maintain targeting under electronic interference. By analyzing signal patterns in real time, AI navigates jamming attempts and protects communications, giving forces the ability to operate where humans alone would be blind, marking a new frontier in electronic warfare. Predictive logistics. Deloitte 2023 highlights AI predicting supply needs and routing deliveries, reducing delays by 80%. From ammunition to medical kits, AI ensures critical resources reach the front lines efficiently. Historically, supply lines relied on human estimates and couriers. Today, intelligent algorithms transform logistics into a precise battlefield advantage. Ethical oversight of AI. SISE 2025 warns fully autonomous systems without human oversight risk unintended escalation. Operators must verify AI recommendations before engagement. While AI accelerates decisions and reduces errors, humans remain responsible for outcomes, balancing speed, accuracy, and ethical control on modern battlefields. AI in cyber offense. Microsoft Digital Defense Report 2024 notes AI now automates cyber attacks, adapting malware in real time. Systems can probe networks faster than human hackers, testing defenses and exploiting vulnerabilities. AI extends the battlefield into digital space, making cybersecurity a central component of modern military operations. AI-assisted mine clearing. AI-driven robots detect and neutralize landmines autonomously. Carnegie Mellon 2025 reports AI reduces human exposure and speeds clearance operations. Where decades ago soldiers risked life manually, machines now analyze soil patterns and safely mark or detonate threats, transforming battlefield safety. Multi-source data fusion. Delta Situational Awareness System. Wikipedia 2026 fuses drones, sensors, and satellite feeds into a single real-time map. Commanders monitor hundreds of assets simultaneously. AI quickly highlights anomalies, enabling rapid decisions humans alone could not make in such complex environments. AI in medical triage. NATO 2025 reports AI assists field triage by analyzing patient data from sensors and medevac drones. Algorithms recommend priority treatment and safe transport routes, reducing evacuation time by 25%. AI ensures that limited medical resources are allocated efficiently under combat conditions. Autonomous recon vehicles. Carnegie Mellon 2025 highlights AI ground robots navigating rough terrain with reinforcement learning. They reduce operator workload by over 50%, scouting high-risk areas and transporting supplies. Machines can operate continuously in conditions that would exhaust human teams, extending operational reach. AI in Strike Prediction. Project Maven 2025 shows AI can forecast enemy movement patterns and potential hotspots. Predictive analytics allow commanders to plan preemptive actions, improving mission success and reducing resource waste. Machines process complex, multi-source data faster than human analysts alone. AI in Urban Combat. Business Insider 2025 notes AI drones help forces navigate city streets and dense buildings. AI identifies threats, obstacles, and escape routes in seconds. This reduces casualties and improves operational efficiency compared to traditional human-led reconnaissance in chaotic urban zones. AI swarms and coordination. The Guardian 2026 reports swarms of AI drones communicate autonomously to adapt flight paths and targets. Swarms scale from a few units to dozens, coordinating attacks or reconnaissance with minimal human direction. AI multiplies force effectiveness and introduces new tactical possibilities. Cyber-physical integration. CIS 2025 highlights AI integrating cyber and physical battlefield data. Drones, robots, sensors, and network intelligence interact to provide commanders a unified view. AI identifies patterns, predicts outcomes, and enhances decision-making across multiple domains simultaneously. The future of AI warfare. CIS 2025 concludes that AI will continue transforming battlefields. Human oversight remains critical to control risks, prevent errors, and manage ethical concerns. AI accelerates decisions, improves accuracy, and reduces casualties, but the partnership between humans and machines defines the future of modern warfare.